What's on, guys? It's Saturday, it's tutorial time. Today we're going to be doing frontside 50-50 on ledge, working a little bit more on the street aspect of skating. To demonstrate today's trick, we're going to be using the nice new Slip-In Wizard portable ledge made by Hairy Carpentry. So the best place to learn this one is probably on a curb or anything small so that you don't have to work too hard to get up on top of it. But then once you get the hang of it on that, you want to slowly start making your way up to the point where you'll be able to do it on ledges like this and just about any other size really. So assuming that you already know how to ollie and you've mastered it, this tutorial is only going to consist of 3 basic steps. You've got the angle, the timing and the getting off. So the angle you approach the ledge at is probably the most important thing because it's going to set you up for the grind. If you approach it at the wrong angle, it could ruin everything before you've even made it onto the ledge. So the best way to approach a frontside 50-50 is from about a 45-degree angle. I'm not heading straight at the ledge and I'm not heading parallel to the ledge. Something like this. This way, when I pop my ollie, I'm already going to be travelling towards the ledge to get up on top of it. Whereas if I came parallel, I would have to try and travel forward in the air to get over it, which is very difficult. So when it comes to street skating, timing is always very important, especially when you're using different obstacles. If you can't time your ollie right, you might ollie too early and be way further away than necessary, or you might ollie too late and find that the nose of your board hits the ledge as you try and get up over it. So once you ollie and you feel your board in line with the ledge, a good thing to also do is turn the board just slightly as you reach the peak of your ollie. If you ollie and just stay straight, the chances are you'll only get one truck on and before you know it, it will be spinning out and you'll fall off. You'll know when you're grinding right because it will go nice and straight. Now it's just a question of grinding it and riding away. The actual grind itself is probably the easiest bit of it. All you've got to do is bend your knees a bit, relax and let the board do all the work for you. Now you're getting to the end of it and you need to know how to get back off the ledge down onto the floor. So all you're going to do is lift up those front wheels just a little bit as if you're riding off a step or something, doing an acid drop, and then you're just going to let the board do all the work. Again, when you land, you want to have your knees nice and bent, absorbing that impact. Don't land straight-legged because you're much more likely to topple over. So that's it for 50-50s. We hope this tutorial helped. We had a lot of fun filming it. Remember to click subscribe, check out our other videos and head to tr7skate.co.uk to check out our gear. Cheers for watching. See you next Saturday for another tutorial.